Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Revolut account. This is very helpful if you want an easy way to manage your money, get a card, and use the app's features. So first open up the Revolut app and tap create account. So enter your phone number, type in the 6-digit code that you receive, and then choose whether you want to turn on push notifications. And then after that, select your country of residence, enter your email address, and then create your 6-digit passcode. You can also turn on Face ID if you want a quicker access. Next, enter your first and last name exactly as shown on your passport. Then add your date of birth and home address. Accept the terms, then complete the identity check by taking a quick photo and choosing the ID document that you want to use. So after that, enter your social security number, confirm your tax residency, and then choose what you want to use Revolut for. You can then set up your profile, pick a plan, choose a virtual or physical card, and then finish the setup by adding money, ordering a card, adding it to Apple Wallet, and then make the 3 card payments. So that's it. Your Revolut account is ready. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.